Krishna dear devotees. In this video I will show you how to do Abhishek to the home deities. As you see, I have a big pot here and to collect the charanamrita. And I have put one small pot in the bottom so that Krishna doesn't touch the water with which we are washing him. First we will start wiping his body with wet cloth. I am using medicinal clean white cotton. Usually we try avoiding touching the deity with our left hand. I can touch the deity when there is a cloth with left hand. But if we can, try to avoid it. Touching directly the body. Now we have gopi chandan and little water. We'll make a paste out of it. This water is too much. Like we put tilak on our body, same way we have to create a paste. If you have sandalwood, that would be the best. But because we don't have sandalwood, I'm using gopi chandan. And for brass deities we use fresh lemon. Why fresh? Because when lemon is not fresh, it will have hard skin, so we don't want to hurt the deity's body. You can create a paste with lemon juice as well, mixing lemon juice and tilaka. This deity is brass deity, but I think they put black color on top of it. And gently take it. Carefully scrub the body of the deity. Avoid touching the eyes. Possibly, if we cannot, and avoid touching the painted places, otherwise lemon will remove the paint. Lemon and tilak, they will scratch the paint. This deity requires painting, that's why I don't worry so much about the scratching. Usually at home it's not so strict bathing the deity, and in the temple you have to put essential oil, apply essential oils on the Lord. Before starting the arti, you have to offer incense, flowers, and use flavored water. So many rituals in the temple. It's strict. At home you can scrub and then later offer beautiful cloth outfits. And usually they bathe the deity daily in the morning, but if you cannot do that, then at least on Ekadashis. Because brass deities especially, they require shine, like they body gets that loses that luster. So I'm done with scrubbing. Now this warm water. If you have conch, use conch for pouring water. If you don't have, then no problem, use something else. I'll be pouring water in this conch and then start washing. Carefully. You can wash like this with your hand. Make sure water is according to the season. If it is hot, use a little bit cooler water. If it is hot, if it's cold, then warm water. This Krishna is not my deity. You will be asking in the comments, I know about you. When I started posting the videos about deity dresses, these deities are just keep on coming now. They're asking me to do dresses for them and hair wigs. So this is the deity of one Mataji. After bathing him, you have to have a clean cotton towel so that you can wipe out the water. So that's it, friends. This is the whole process of simple Abhishek at your home. I'll dry his body and then I'll apply some paint here, then I'll offer cloth for him. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this, and I hope it was helpful for you, and hopefully you will also take care of your deities better than me. Thank you. Hare Krishna.